Hello everyone. In this today's tutorial, we are diving into a fundamental Excel function that will make your data analysis breezy, the filter functions. Before we dive into the details, let's start with the brief introductions. The filter function is a powerful tool that allows you to extract specific data from our range based on certain criteria. It's perfect for managing large dataset and extracting just the information you need quickly and efficiently. Okay, now let's move into the example. Here I use the example with the employee's ID, customer's name, department, state, and salary. Okay, and I will filter it with the filter function. Let me use here and right here the filter. Then it say the array. So let me select this array. Then the next one include. So I want to include this one. Then I can just use equal right here. And if I say it will be the in new world and just close it, hit on the OK. So here we got it, this one. Okay, so by the way, you can easily filter it. Now if I type here in state, just right here the state, this one, then what I am gonna do, I am gonna to use here in state of this one, I will just say this will be in the here, take out this one and right here, hit OK. So here we got it, error message. But if I type here WA, so what happened here, we got it. Now if I use here the GA, so here we got it according to our formula. Okay, so that wrap up for today's tutorial on how to use filter function in your data sheet. By this tutorial you will have a surely understanding of the filtering function and be ready to use it in your own Excel project. So practice and try to find out the experiment with the filter function. Thank you for watching.